Silenced at city meetings. A new state law will reverse a trend keeping people from addressing their governing bodies. Channel 5's Christian Von Preissing explains what the law changes.
Over the past several months, several Valley cities have moved away from allowing people to speak before or during a public meeting while an item was being considered. And some people who came to speak were upset about that. This new law is making it so things go back to how they were. A number of cities, school boards, and Hidalgo County have chosen to go this way.
Public comments is third and final reading. Staff is recommending approval. So moved.
Second.
Any discussion? Was all in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? It passes.
This was nearly 8 months ago. A unanimous decision by the commissioners and mayor to remove public comments from city meetings. From that point forward, people weren't able to speak on issues of their choice during a meeting.
They already had that discussion, so I mean, it was already said and done.
Lorena Singh is talking about a recent experience, wanting to speak to commissioners about an issue she was concerned about. But that vote happened before she could speak. FAR changed its comment system. People were no longer addressing the commission at the podium, rather telling residents they could meet one-on-one.
They tell you to wait until the meeting is adjourned, and so they call your name one by one, whoever's registered for public comments, and they take you to a room. It was kind of odd because you don't know where you're going, and they tell you that you're the only one that can go into that room.
The mayor of FAR defended the change, saying meetings were getting out of hand.
But we always have to speak the facts, not what's 3 minutes of fame, which is what most people try to do, unfortunately.
McAllen did the same thing and argued the opinions people have could be slander. They argue cities could get sued by the statements other people make at their podiums.
And like I say, I tried pulling up as many as I could.
This is Fern McClarty. Her group, the Objective Watchers of the Legal System, began keeping a list of just how many boards are doing.
I mean, they've adjourned and going home.
To her count, at least 7 cities, several school boards, and Hidalgo County.
And that's what's sad. The people need to have a voice to ask a question or to be heard.
The new bill, sponsored by local representatives and signed into law, will now require comments to happen before or during the discussion of an item. They hope it helps.
Well, I hope so.
To bring a voice back to the residents in public meetings. And those requirements here at the podium are set to take effect September 1st of this year. Christian Von Preissing, Channel 5 News.